This video is going to be short, impactful, and I guarantee you're going to learn something today. And it should positively influence your P&L in the future. But first, let's take a quick look at this 10-second clip before explaining how it directly impacts your trading.
Okay.
You got it?
Oh my god.
What you experienced there was a dopamine hit. Now you might think it comes right at the end of the video, but actually it happens during the anticipation of the stone hitting the water. That's how our brains have developed our learning and reward centers, right? So we chase an outcome, but the dopamine is what drives us during the anticipation phase of getting to that reward. Now that can be a bit of a problem for us traders, us retail traders, particularly newer traders, because low effort is paired with high anticipation for reward. Now, what that means is that it's very unlikely that you're going to be profitable when you first start out. You just simply click buy, click sell, and rinse and repeat, and you're not really trading at that point. You're kind of basically doing entry-level gambling as you're learning how to trade. But the problem is that you're not really earning the anticipation for the trade. You're not earning that reward properly. Because for newer traders, you have simple, quick, easy access, right? Sign up to a broker, put in some money, and within about 15 minutes, you can start executing a trade, if not faster, right? That is a problem because there is no learning mechanism. There's no structure. I mean, you might watch a YouTube video here and there about how to execute a trade on a platform or how to set stop losses and what's a good chart setup. But that low effort is going to result in poor outcomes because you're just chasing dopamine hits and you may not even be aware that that's what's happening. Now, dopamine is also a problem for traders who've been around for a while. So seasoned traders can still experience problems with dopamine hits. And that's because dopamine is an avoidance of discomfort. Now, I know we've all been there. Every single one of us has been there. You start off in a trade, you buy a stock, it might go in your favor a little bit, dopamine levels are rising, and then this trade goes against you, but you don't want to close out. You know you're wrong. You know the trade's wrong, but it's too uncomfortable. There's too much discomfort associated with not just being wrong, but with closing out the trade, because then that anticipation disappears. You have to accept the fact that it's wrong. You're not getting the reward that your brain is training you for, right? Your brain isn't training for failure. It's training for anticipation for a reward. So that awareness alone can significantly improve your trading. Being aware of that psychological block is super important. Also, you need to earn the anticipation for the trade, like I said earlier. What's that mean? Well, you need to actually journal, or you need to study, you need to research, you need to do things outside the 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. or 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. for us Aussie traders. You need to spend time outside of that, and you need to study. You need to research. You need to go over your existing trades. You need to go over chart setups. You need to go over what setups have been working. What sectors are moving at the moment. What's hot, what's not. And it's all about analysis and earning that anticipation for the next trade. If you're not earning it, then you're simply feeding incorrect reward systems to your brain and just continuously getting failed outcomes. So guys, I hope this has helped somewhat. If you want to join our community of traders, please join in the description below. It's Australia's largest trading community, and we look forward to having you. All right, have a good one, guys.